Beyond Description, Anthropologies of Explanation, edited by Paolo Heywood and Mateo Candea. This book is a collection of anthropological research papers presented at a 2018 workshop in King's College in Cambridge, titled Ethnographies of Explanation and the Explanation of Ethnography, Beyond Ethnographic Foundationalism. Participating scholars were asked to define an explanation and identify what makes it authoritative, clarifying, or misleading. Whom does it serve, and how is it produced? There seems to be in contemporary anthropology a pervasive sense that there is a thing called explanation out there, and that it is problematic for anthropologists to try to do it, note the editors. On closer examination, however, both parts of that statement are obviously incorrect. There isn't a single thing called explanation out there, and anthropologists do it all the time. The question of explanations is especially pertinent to the current public crises of confidence in media, politics, justice, science, and even medicine. To whom can we rely for truth when so many explanations seem more like rationalization than honest interpretations, and when so many of the competing voices in the public sphere seem intent on silencing one another? Divided into two parts, this collection first considers norms and forms of explanation within the field of anthropology. The latter part looks at modes of explanation outside anthropology and confronts the dilemma of anthropologists endeavoring to describe rather than explain, letting the work speak for itself, with the realities of politics, publics, and institutional policies that require explanations. Given this fact, the editors point out, a more exciting question, we believe, than whether to explain is how we might explain. As the contributors in this book attest, that question has a range of potential productive answers.